Okay, so we are getting ready for the 4th of July Ocean Isle Beach fireworks show. It is the 5th of July because we did not have ours on the 4th for some reason. I think it was because it was like everybody was coming in yesterday. So hopefully the fireworks show is bigger than last year and bigger, better. So we'll be with you in the next 15 or so minutes. It's not going to be long because I started this very short, and we're pretty excited about this because the city of Ocean Isle is kind of using illegal fireworks. So it's illegal but legal, and so we're having basically the early stages of the fireworks show. Yep. But yeah, so this is the fireworks show of Ocean Isle Beach 2026. We'll see you in the next 15 or so minutes. Oh, the fireworks are going off now.
Okay, ready?
Rainbow! Oh! Ow!
Is that me?
It's loud. I love it. Mommy, can I take a picture? Actually, not so much. Time to put it away. Kaboom. Ow.
Holy.
Kaboom. I feel like there's fireworks behind. Yes,
No.
Oh, did we get our one from him? Was that Raul? That was Raul. We got our one from him.
Oh, that was
And soft, dude. Ooh, I just got a
Whoa,
flashbang.
that was just turned red. I just like seeing the dust in the air. It's like, whoa. It's like the black.
Oh, I love.
Oh, I like that one. I like seeing the smoke. Wait, there's still smoke things in the sky.
Oh.
There's still smoke things in the sky. Are they taking off our beach?
No, they're taking off on the
They're
pier.
still
on the pier.
Yeah, that's the pier.
No, it's not.
They're literally just floating in the sky. Whoa. It looks like they're becoming clouds. No, they are. They are. Yeah. That looks like a jelly. That one looks like a jellyfish to me. Oh yeah, that one was my favorite. I'm excited for the finale.
Damn, look.
Let's fireworks, really.
No, stop.
Five.
Wait, fireball.
Well, you should.
Oh, that was
Oh.
That's a half and half.
These are so loud. Oh, really?
Oh, that was a flash.
Another one of the flashbangs.
I just saw one. It was green, and then it turned, and then it comes this way and turns red. When it burst open, green, and then come this way, and that green
editing this video at like 10 p.m. and I'm just gonna get flashback.
Yo, the smallest ones make the biggest pain for some reason. Don't they?
Yeah.
For the people driving their cars, I'm surprised they're not swerving out of the road right now.
Ow.
I'm very surprised they're not.
Actually,
Oh no. Oh, I thought they were.
actually, it wouldn't be because.
James.
But mommy, why does it make no sound when it bursts, but after
Too
it
far
makes-
away.
Light travels faster than sound.
And we're too far away. The light goes.
Oh wait, that was
The
a.
light travels faster than
Look,
sound.
Eamon, it's red, white, and blue.
I know, but
7 years. Yeah.
Oh, that was weird.
I love that one. Mommy,
What are these little?
When are the big ones?
you mean the finale?
Wow.
These were the finales at the end.
And you'll know, you'll see a lot go up in one time.
I like the big gold one.
Hopefully they do the ones where they shoot up, but they make a really loud sound. No, I'm saying the ones where they go.
yeah, it's like at the end of
Okay.
it. Down the end.
What's going on?
Well, I like these. He said it's almost like an elephant.
Oh, SMS videos
Well, you're feeling so.
Oh, this was mine. He probably didn't do anything. He was probably just
Why does it sound like it's
Um,
behind us?
Because light travels faster than
I
sound.
literally
Yeah.
just said that.
We just said that, so.
Was she listening?
Easy 5th graders.
Finally she listened.
I got someone to listen to me.
And
Do you think a million people are at the beach?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it fireworks?
No, this is the pier.
No, they're not
Because
connected.
they're the fireworks. You can see they shoot up from a different area.
It's not related to what's coming down on the beach.
our ears are gonna die.
I'm gonna be editing it, and I'm gonna get flashbang.
And our ears will literally die.
It'll be gone before we get back to the ground.
Yeah, they're gone by the time we get to the ground.
That was cool.
I don't think but I'm
Look at the smoke.
Yeah. Hi, other island.
This kind of sucks, not gonna lie.
We saw them last night. Yeah, they were not.
Can you hear it?
The other islands were kind of bad.
Yeah, we saw a few of them.
No, we were watching them too.
Oh! Hold that with two hands and take it off this.
No. Oh, look at the drone. It's right. It's that green and red
I know.
thing flying up in the
You
air.
could probably search it up on YouTube.
That's
The day out, like a couple of days after, search up
so.
beach fireworks 2026.
That drone is probably recording the fireworks from above. I don't have that footage because I'm not flying. Oh, that was cool.
I like those.
This is the 5th of July, by the way. This is not the 4th.
Yeah.
You
could probably search it on YouTube. Ocean Isle Beach, fireworks show 2026.
Oh.
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 I like that one. There's a halo. Cat in the Hat?
No, the hat and the cap.
And the hat.
I like that one.
That's you made.
Well, the actual firework itself explodes open. It explodes open very powerfully and lights on fire.
Sound of when they light them.
James, the people right there are probably crashing out right now.
It's so loud.
Oh my god. I had a heart attack.
I'm telling you, take the phone.
Why?
Bro.
The finale is like 8 fireworks at least.
At once?
Yeah, but you'll see them. They'll all shoot up at once. How did they get that? How did they get it to? Yes, they are very illegal. You can shoot these fireworks off in North Carolina, right?
Well, you can't Arlington. I can tell
Yeah,
you that.
definitely not.
These are like,
Take a little
you would
These
get
are
arrested.
yeah, you
The
would
police
get
could see
arrested.
you
on the outside.
from miles away.
Chemical on the inside.
You could,
We'll go next week.
Makes sense. The one that's on the outside burns a particular color. That one
If
takes
you're-
to
if
the
you're
different
in a
color. It's a different color. It's a different chemical burning, so that it makes a different chemical light.
Oh. We're gonna do 25.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not the finale.
Next year.
oh,
We
you
have
have
to.
the drones actually gone.
Very lucky.
Really?
Hey, that's a drone.
Oh, that was sick. That was Saturn. That was Saturn. Yeah, you can't keep a drone up.
Yeah.
If it goes a little bit too high, your drone is These tiny ones are very loud.
They're louder than the big ones.
Like the
Oh.
popper.
Oh my eyes.
That's a tall one.
I'll tell you when it's happening.
Oh.
You'll know, dude. Oh. Right there.
Oh, another one of those silent.
Being on the table's fun.
Thanks, Sam.
It
That
is.
was pretty.
Be like Mike Tyson times.
Is this the finale? I don't think this is the
It'd be,
finale.
it'd be.
It would be a lot.
Remember last year the red buttons?
Yeah, the button. Probably had like a Theragun.
When you're editing this, we're not seeing it. This will be so loud and you will get flashbang. I will see you. I will stare at you. And there'll just be a light in your face. And then he'll shriek at like 4 a.m. in the morning, still editing.
We're done eating for the night. Alright, where is that?
No, not the finale. Oh, the different color, the color changing,
colors.
mid-air change colors. So,
That's tough.
Gordon gets
oh, focus down. Yes, we would see it even better,
It'd be better and louder.
but it would be like this.
I'll say it.
Oh,
Do you know people would pay money, literally pay money to have this view?
So you rent it out to people then.
These entrepreneurs.
oh, why does that?
They're already selling that. They're already selling the house to get one with a pool. Guys, could you imagine if we were sitting in the pool watching this?
Oh, that would be
The
fun.
different colored pool.
Yeah.
Swimming in a pool while watching
The
fireworks.
red, the green.
And then
It's for the
water and fire.
250th anniversary.
Watch the fireworks.
Why don't I sit here? You can sit on my lap. I'll be your friend.
I have to keep up with like the ones that go super high.
Nope. We're done eating. for the night.
Oh wow, that looks like a jellyfish.
Mr. Beast colors.
Water, food.
I'm like a puppy, and I'm keeping you warm with my arms
Double
wrapped
kill.
around yours.
Do you want me to sit? Can you still my lemon?
What is cold?
Daddy, can you
That's a short one. Oh, wow.
I'm good. You're good. You're good.
Why are
Ooh,
the
that was right.
why are the smaller ones the loudest?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's high.
That's fine.
I had to.
No, you're good.
Ooh,
Oh.
That was a red light.
ooh, that was really flashy.
I'm gonna be editing this video tonight.
At 4 a.m. in the morning, and I'm gonna look over at him, and
Yeah, I'm
and
gonna
his
have.
face is just gonna be
He's like, Eamon, does this look like a good edit?
cap cut. Bro, you gotta do this in cap cut. You gotta make files of this one video, put in cap cut, and use this, right? Yeah, you just gotta do it in cap cut.
Yeah, I do it.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Well, James, you gotta edit regular.
That looks
Ooh,
like
I
a
love
Christmas
those.
tree.
That's my favorite.
They're still going.
Still going because they're lighting new ones off. Oh, wow.
Willows.
I love those.
Those are my favorite.
Ooh, look at that one.
Oh, can you stop?
A cake! A cake!
Oh, here we go, guys. It might be it. Oh, here they go.
Oh!
Full set.
Probably have a Theragun running.
In the button, bro. I just see smoke. It's a brick. James, it's a brick.
Oh,
My
that was
ears are ringing.
insane.
Yeah.
That's a nice strong breeze. That clears